Yeah, hello, my viewers. My name is Komla from Komla Automotive Engineers. It's a few moments ago, I posted a picture, a video concerning about this valve body, and when I removed the oil pan, I saw that there is a broken truss plate, the rubber truss plate, a form of a rubber truss plate type inside the oil pan. So that gives me an evidence that there is a problem on the gearbox, and we want to remove the gearbox and tear down the gearbox and see what was the problem. And initially I was having a problem with my reverse, so I strongly believe there is a problem somewhere, so we need to remove. But first of all, I want to fix the valve body this very morning and drive the car back to a shop and remove the gearbox. And the service manual for the gearbox. Last time I did some video concerning about how to repair a valve body. You see the valve body with the specification, the location in which the location or the position in which the valves and the spools goes, and this is how the whole thing looks like. So anytime you are working on a transmission, you need to gather information, you need to get the right service manual so that you may not end up messing up with the component. So this morning my point of intention is about to fix this valve body. So these are the information about the transmission. So this is what we do in Komla Automotive Engineers Garage. So we don't work by heart, we work according to specification. So anytime you bring a car to our workshop, we go by the vehicle service manual and take information from there before we do our repairs. So it is what it is. This is what we do in Komla Automotive Engineering. So see you next time. Bye.